Pat from Pascoe Vale sent me a lovely email saying, Richo, what sort of oven do you have at home? Well, Pat, I have one of these, a Kleenmaid, and I'll tell you why I've got one. It's a really, really good oven. One of the most important things to me is it's easy to clean. All I have to do is set the function for clean on here, open this up, pour in the water, close the door, and an hour and a half it's all ready to clean. And the coating on the inside of the oven is a special coating developed by NASA, well maybe not, but makes it really, really easy to clean, and that's really important to me. Now another thing is the boost function. When I set the temperature, it puts all its energy into getting up to temperature very, very quickly, and that actually saves energy. Now another thing that saves energy is when I open the door, the fan shuts down and keeps all the hot air in the oven where it belongs. One other thing that I like, Pat, is when I open the door, all I need to do is open the drawer like this and the rack extends. To me, that is really, really safe. I open the lid like this, have a little check inside, and then slide it back in. Another thing that I like about this oven is it's full of functions. You can cook just about anything you want, and there is a preset function here for anything. And if you really want to get crazy, you can set your own programs to cook your favorite dishes. I reckon this is a great oven.